permits ability signifying impact a ship stability. 15 causes a losses of buoyancy, reduce the ship ometacentric height, and can lead into increased draft and trim. Permeability, the percentage of compartment's volume that can be determines how much buoyancy is lost during bilging. For this affect the ship's stability, particularly its essential stability and resistance to exercise like capsizing.
Increased draft and trim. The lower buoyancy can lead to increase the ship's overall draft, vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. If the blades compartment is not centrally located, the ship can also experience a trim change, bow or stern sinking, reduce metacentric height. The influx of water raises the ship's center of gravity and lowers the metacentric height. TM is crucial measures of initial stability, as more buoyancy is less resistant to rolling highs, raise and capsizing. Permeability definition. Permeability refers to the fraction of the compartment volume that can be flooded with water. It is usually expressed as a percentage.
Impact on buoyancy loss. A compartment with high permeability will lose more buoyancy when built than one with low permeability. Influence on stability calculations. Permeability is a crucial factor in calculation used to determine the impact of bilging on a ship's stability. An importance in design. Permeability is considered during ship design to ensure the ship's survivability and stability in the event of damage.